This 12-volt heated car blanket from BougeRV delivers steady warmth that feels strong enough for winter road trips, camping, and long commutes without draining a typical vehicle outlet. 5 distinct heat settings, covering a comfortable low to toasty high range, make it easy to dial in a temperature that suits different passengers and changing conditions. The blanket warms up gradually and uses an internal sensor to keep the heat even, which helps avoid hot spots and makes it feel safer for extended use. App-based controls with a built-in timer and automatic shutoff are genuinely handy, letting you adjust heat or set a runtime without fumbling for the cord or switches in the dark. The outer fabric feels smooth while the inner fleece is soft and insulating, and the included storage bag makes it simple to fold, compress, and stash in tight vehicle or camping spaces. It comes as a complete kit with controller, car power cable, and responsive technical support from the brand, so it is ready for regular winter use right out of the box.